Hi friends, welcome to Sir Kandron LDC classes. Here we are going to learn about official language policy and rules of 100 questions. Let us start the class. What is the official language of Union of India? भारत संघ की राजभाषा क्या है? हिंदी in Devanagari script. On which date was Part 17 of the Constitution passed in Parliament? 14/9/1949. When was Official Language Act 1963 passed? 10th May 1963. When was Official Language Act 1963 amended 1967? When was Official Language Act 1963 amended? 1967. What are the three regions classified under official language rules? A, B and C regions. When is Hindi Day celebrated every year? September 14. According to official language rules, Andaman and Nicobar Island comes under which region? Region A. What are the places classified under region B? Gujarat, Maharashtra and Punjab and Union Territories of Chandigarh, Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli. What is the official language of Arunachal Pradesh? English. What is the act passed to give legal form to the assurance given to non-Hindi speaking people? Official Language Act amended 1967. From when did the Section 3 of Official Language Act take effect? 26 January 1965. With was is Section 4 of Official Language Act 1963 concerned? It is concerned with the constitution of Parliamentary Committee on Official Language. In which part of the Constitution are the Articles 343 to 351 which give information about official language available? Part 17. With what is Section 7 of Official Language Act 1963 concerned? It is concerned with the optional use of Hindi or other official language in judgment in High Court. Section 6 and 7 of Official Language Act 1963 do not apply in which state? Jammu and Kashmir. Urdu has been declared as official language of which of the states? Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. At present, how many languages are enlisted in the 8th schedule of Constitution? 22. Please write the language available in the 8th schedule. Assamia, Bangla, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Bodo, Santhali, Maithili, Dogri. Where does provision exist for notifying an office? Under Rule 10 Sub 4 of the Official Language Rules 1976. In which article is the provision regarding OL policy available in Part 5 of the Constitution? Article 120. Name the article in which the provision of the 8th schedule of the Constitution is available. Article 344(1) and 351. Why was the OL Act 1963 passed? To use English along with Hindi even after 1965. When was the official language rules passed? 1976. How many articles are there in Part 17 of the Constitution? 9. In compliance of Article 344, when was the Official Language Commission formed? In the year 1955. Who was the first chairman of Official Language Commission? B.G. Kher. Who was the first chairman of the committee which was formed on recommendation of the Official Language Commission? B.G. Pant. As per the constitution, who is translating the statutory rules, regulations and orders? Law Ministry. Which were the main language and co-official language used for the official purpose of the Union of India up to 1965? English was the main language and Hindi co-official language. Which article comes under part 6? Article 210. Who chaired the first Railway Hindi Salahkar Committee constituted in 1973? Lalit Narayan Mishra. Who was the chairman of the Parliament Committee on Official Language constituted in the year 1976? The then Home Minister Sri Om Mehta. Which committee of the Committee of Parliament on Official Language prepares the draft? Drafting and Evidence Subcommittee of the Committee of Parliament on Official Language. In which year the post of Hindi assistant was created in Railway Board in compliance of President's order? In the General Branch of Railway Board in the year 1952. In which year the Hindi translation of Railway Budget was prepared and who was the Railway Minister? In the year 1956. Late Lal Bahadur Shastri, that time Railway Minister. In which year Hindi Parliament section was established in Railway Board? In the year 1960. What are all the states that comes under Region A? Region A: Bihar, Jharkhand, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, or Andaman Nicobar. These are the states which comes under Region A. What are the states that comes under Region C? Region C means the state and the union territories other than those who refer to Region A and B. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Goa, Jammu and Kashmir, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Pondicherry. These are comes region under Region C. Which subcommittee of the Committee of Parliament on Official Language inspect Railway Ministry? Second subcommittee. What is the scheme implemented by Railway Board for encouraging the individual work done in Hindi? Rajbhasha Individual Cash Award Scheme. Amount of award for passing Prabodh, Praveen and Pragya examination. Prabodh 1,600 rupees, Praveen 1,800 rupees, Pragya 2,400 rupees. Marking 70% or above, 60% to up to 69% marks, 800 in Prabodh, 1,200 in Praveen, 1,600 in Pragya. Between 55 to 59% marks, 400 in Prabodh, 600 in Praveen, 800 in Pragya. What is the expansion for OLIC used by Department of Official Language? Official Language Implementation Committee. How many Hindi courses are prescribed for central government employee? 3. Which is the elementary Hindi course prescribed for central government employee? Prabodh. Who is the chairman of Central Hindi Committee? Prime Minister. Which committee reviews the progress made in the propagation of Hindi in a particular ministry department? Hindi Salahkar Samiti. When was the President Parliamentary Committee on Official Language constituted? January 1976. How many members are there in the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? 30. How many Lok Sabha members are there in Committee of Parliamentary on Official Language? 20. At present, how many subcommittee are there in Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? 3 subcommittee. 3 subcommittee. What is the main duty of the Committee of Parliament on Official Language? To review the progressive use of Hindi. Who is the chairman of the Town Official Language Implementation Committee constituted in major cities? Senior most clerk, central government officer of the city. What is the periodicity of the meeting of Official Language Implementation Committee? Once in 3 months. What is the periodicity of the meeting of Town Official Language Implementation Committee? Once in 6 months. Who prepares the annual program on official language? Ministry of Home Affairs. What are the Hindi courses prescribed for central government employee? Prabodh, Praveen and Pragya. Which is the final Hindi course prescribed for clerical cadre employee of central government? Pragya. What are the training facilities available to a central government employee to get trained in the Hindi courses? Regular, intensive, correspondence and private. How many times are the regular Hindi examination conducted in a year? 2 times. In which month are the regular Hindi examination conducted? May and November. Who are eligible to be trained in the Hindi courses? All the central government employee in class 3rd and above. Who are the employees classified under category A? Those employees whose mother tongue is Hindi or Hindustani or its dialect. Who are the employees classified under category B? Those employees whose mother tongue is Urdu, Punjabi, Kashmiri, Pashto, Sindhi or other allied languages. Who are the employees classified under category C? Those employees whose mother tongue is Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Odia or Assamese. Who are the employees classified under category D? Those employees who speak a South Indian language or English. From which course is a category C employee required to be trained? From Praveen. From which course is a category D employee required to be trained? Prabodh. What is the lump sum award for passing Pragya? 2,400 rupees. How many officers employees are awarded every year from Southern Railway under Railway Board's Raj Bhasha Individual Cash Award Scheme? 8. What is the cash award amount for the first prize under Collective Cash Award Scheme? 1,500 rupees. What is the cash award amount for the second prize under Collective Cash Award Scheme? 1,200 rupees. What is the cash award amount for the third prize under Collective Cash Award Scheme? 800 rupees. How many first prize are given in a year for writing more than 10,000 words? 2. How many second prize are given in a year for writing more than 10,000 words? 3. How many third prize are given in a year for writing more than 10,000 words? 5. In which order are the name, designation and signboards to be exhibited? First, regional language, second, Hindi, third, English. In which order the forms used by public to be prepared? Trilingual form, first regional language, second Hindi, third English. In which order are rubber stamp to be prepared? Hindi, English, bilingual form, 1 line Hindi and 1 line English. Amount of lump sum award for passing Prabodh Praveen by private study. For Prabodh 1,600 rupees. For Praveen 1,500 rupees. What is the lump sum award for passing Hindi type writing examination by private study? Rupees 1,600. What is the foreign language included in the 8th schedule? Nepali. Who is the chairman of the Divisional Official Language Implementation Committee? Divisional Railway Manager, DRM. Which ministry or office is conducting the exam for the central government employee? Hindi teaching scheme under Home Ministry. Who is eligible for lump sum award? Those employees who pass the Hindi exam by private efforts. Who is the chairman of the Town Official Language Implementation Committee of Chennai? General Manager, Southern Railway, GM. In which order are the station announcement made? Trilingual, regional, Hindi and English. In which proportion the roof board has to be displayed? in equal proportion, trilingual, regional, Hindi and English. How is the panel board of a train to be displayed in trilingual, regional, Hindi and English? Who are all eligible for personal pay? On passing Pragya examination organized by the HTS of the central government, or on passing the lowest prescribed exam duly securing 55% marks of 55% of marks for certain categories by the central government. What is the amount of honorarium given to the OLIC clerks? Rupees 300, who are eligible to undergo training in Hindi conversation courses. All the open line staff including class 4 who come in contact with public directly. What is the award amount under the individual cash award ICA scheme? Rupees 1500. What is the duration of Hindi conversation courses? 30 hours. Who are eligible to undergo training in Hindi workshop? All class third staff and gazetted officer who have working knowledge, proficiency in Hindi. What is the amount of cash award for passing Hindi typing with 95% or more but less than 97%? Rupees 1600. What is the quantum of Hindi typing work to be done by a typist or steno to become eligible for Hindi incentive allowance? 5 notes in Hindi in a day or 300 notes in Hindi in a quarter. What is the amount of cash award for passing Hindi typing with 90% or more but less than 95% marks? Rupees 800. What is the amount for passing Hindi stenography with 95% or more marks? Rupees 2400. What is the honorarium amount given to part-time Hindi librarian? Rupees 500 per month. What are the lump sum award given for passing Hindi typing and Hindi stenography? Hindi typing rupees 1600. For Hindi stenography rupees 3000. In this video, friends, we are discussing very VBI 100 question of official language which is necessary for our coming promotional exams. Okay, I hope you will know, learn and better understood. Okay, thank you.